How to fix Instagram camera effects or filters not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your Instagram camera effect or filter is not showing up or working. Now, if you open the app and you get an interface like this and swipe your fingers from left to right, then you'll get the camera option and down below you'll get the filters. Now, if it's not working, then make sure your app is updated to the latest version of the app. You can do so by going to your Play Store or App Store that you use and search for Instagram and open it. Now, if your app isn't updated to the latest version, you'll get an update option instead of the open option that you can see on screen right now. So, Instagram gets a lot of updates, so if it's not working, it's probably due to a glitch or a bug. Make sure that you're updated to the latest version of the app. And if it still doesn't work, then scroll down your notification bar, go ahead to settings and go to apps, and once on apps, search for Instagram and go to its stories and clear data. It's as good as uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Just relog in your ID and it should fix your issue. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.